Namaste students, I am your Charmi ma'am from New Era Global School online teaching. How are you all? I hope this online revision series of term end assessment is going good for you all. And today we are here to revise chapter number 1 and 2 that are types of plants and uses of plants. So what are the key terms to be learnt? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, what is germination, different types of plants, different parts of plants, different stages in the life cycle of a plant. So students, as we humans have different shapes and size, so does the plants. On that basis, it has been further divided into 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So now what is trees? Big plants that are tall and strong are called trees. What are trees? Yes, big plants that are tall and strong. They have hard and woody stem. They have hard and woody stem called trunk. This portion is called trunk. The trunk of a tree is thick and brown in color. The trunk of the tree is thick and brown in color. For example, mango, coconut, gulmohar and neem tree. Shrubs. Small plants that have strong and woody stem are called shrubs. Shrubs. Small plants that have strong and woody stems are called shrubs. They are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many branches. For example, rose, hibiscus and cotton plant. Herbs. Herbs. Small plants that have thin, green and non-woody stem are called herbs. For example, grass, mint and coriander and mustard plant. Climbers. Those are the plants that have weak stem and cannot stand erect. Yani they cannot stand straight on their own. They cannot stand straight by their own. Are called climbers. For example, money plant, pea plant and green beans. They need support to stand. They need support to stand erect. They need support of walls, sticks or other plants to stand erect. For example, money plant, pea plant and green beans. Now creepers. These plants also have weak stem and cannot stand erect. Their stems grow along the ground. Creepers usually bear heavy fruits. यानी creepers के जो fruits होते हैं वो usually heavy fruits होते हैं. उनके stems जो है वो ground के along ही grow करते हैं. For example, watermelon, pumpkin and cucumber are the common creepers. Now, parts of plants. Leaf. It makes food for the plant. It makes food for the plant. It is usually flat and green. What does the leaf do? It makes food for plant. And what is the color of leaf? Green. How they are? Flat. Fruit. Fruit, it is the part of plant that has seeds. Fruits has seeds. Seed, it is usually found inside the fruit. Seeds are usually inside the fruit. Seeds grow into baby plants. The baby plants grow into adult plant. This is how it goes. Seed to baby plant to adult plant. Roots. Root usually grows under the ground and fix the plant firmly into the ground. It also takes water and nutrient from the soil. What root does? It firmly fixes the plant with ground. The roots are usually under the ground, and it takes water and nutrient from the soil. Stem, it grows above the ground and bears leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Yani this is the stem. What it does? It bears leaves, fruits and flowers, and it carries food and water to leaves, flowers and fruits. Flowers, it is the part of plant that changes into a fruit. Flower is the part of plant that changes into fruit. Life of plant. During its life cycle, it usually grows from a seed into a new plant and dies after it completes its lifespan. What is life cycle? It usually grows from a seed into a new plant and then dies after it completes its lifespan. Life cycle of a plant. The first part of the plant that grows out of the seed is the root. The first part grows out of the seed is roots. It usually grows downwards. The next, stem, grows out from the seed and it usually grows upward. Now the roots grow downwards and the stem grows upwards. The process by which a seed grows into a baby plant is called germination. The process in which seeds grows into baby plant is called germination. A baby plant need the right amount of air, light, water, warmth and nutrients to grow into an adult plant. यानी जो बेबी प्लांट है उसे सही मात्रा में एयर, लाइट, वाटर, वार्मथ एंड न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए to grow into an adult plant. An adult plant bears flowers. This flowers changes into fruit. The fruit have seeds inside them. This seeds grows into baby plants which grows into an adult plant. This cycle is known as life cycle of a plant. यानी जो सीड है उसमें से रूट ग्रो करता है, रूट में से बेबी प्लांट, देन इट ग्रोज इनटू अ ट्री, देन इट bears a flowers turns into fruit, then fruit have seeds, again seeds grow, and this is the cycle of a plant that goes on and on. Okay, the seeds grows into baby plant which grows into adult plant. The cycle is known as life cycle of a plant. Lifespan of a plant. Some plants live for many years, whereas some live for only for a few months. Yani some plants live so longer and some dies in few months. The time for which a plant lives is called lifespan. यानी जितने समय तक plant रहता है उसे we call that lifespan. The lifespan of a few plants are given in the following table. Trees live many years. For example, banyan and mango. Shrubs lives for few years. Example, rose and hibiscus. Climbers and creepers, they live for many months. For example, bee and watermelon. Herbs live for few months. Mint and brinjal. Food for a plant. Most of plant make their own food. यानी most of the plants अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं. This food is prepared in the green leaves. यानी उनका खाना कहाँ बनता है? ये ग्रीन लीव्स में. The leaves need air, water and sunlight to make food. यानी ये जो ग्रीन लीव्स है उसे फूड बनाने में क्या क्या चाहिए? एयर, sunlight and water. This food is then sent to different parts of plants through the stem. यानी ये जो स्टेम है उसके द्वारा अलग अलग पार्ट्स में फूड भेजा जाता है. Some parts also store the food they make. Some plants store their food they make. Different plants store their food in different parts such as root, stem, leaves, fruits and seeds. यानी कई कई प्लांट है वो अपना खाना स्टोर करते हैं अलग अलग पार्ट्स में, जैसे कि रूट, स्टेम, लीव्स, fruits and seeds. Now chapter number 2, uses of plants. Now what are the key terms to be learnt in this chapter? Which parts of plants can be eaten, the importance of plants for living things, parts of certain plants that we eat as food, plant parts from which we get useful things such as sugar, paper, wood and medicines. Students, food from plants. Plants part that we eat. Some plants parts are edible, so we eat them. So now let's revise. What are they? Roots. The thick roots of some plants are edible. यानी जो किसी किसी प्लांट के थिक रूट्स होते हैं वो एडिबल होते हैं. तो वो कौन कौन से हैं? कैरेट, टर्निप, रेडिश and beetroot are the roots that we eat. Stem. The stem of some parts are edible. यानी जो स्टेम है कई कई पेड़ के वो एडिबल होते हैं. What are they? Sugarcane and potato are the stems we eat. Most of stems grow above the ground. यानी most of the stems ground के ऊपरी हिस्से में grow करते हैं. But some stem grow underground too. यानी कई कई जो stem हैं वो underground भी होते हैं, यानी ground के नीचे भी grow करते हैं. Which are they? Potato and ginger. आलू और अदरक are edible underground stem. Potato and ginger are edible underground stem. Leaves. The leaves of some plants are edible. यानी कई कई plants के जो leaves है, जो पत्तियां है वो edible है. Fruits. The fruits of some plants are edible. Mango, orange, pear, banana and guava are the fruits we eat. So some plants fruits are edible, so we can eat it. Seeds. The seeds of some plants are edible. यानी कई कई प्लांट के जो सीड्स होते हैं वो भी एडिबल होते हैं. So which are they? Rice, wheat, kidney beans and chickpea are seeds that we eat. The edible seeds of plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley are called cereals. Rice, wheat, maize and barley. The seeds are usually ground into powder to make flour. यानी जो seeds हैं उन्हें पीसा जाता है और क्या बनता है? Flour यानी आटा. This flour is used to make different types of bread. यानी बाद में वो जो आटा है वो helpful रहता है to make types of bread. The seeds of cereals are also called food grains. The seeds of cereals are called food grains. The edible seeds of plants such as green gram यानी मूंग, kidney bean and chickpea are called pulses. The edible seeds of plants such as green gram यानी मूंग, kidney bean and chickpea are called pulses. The edible seeds of plants such as green gram, kidney bean and chickpea are called pulses, यानी मूंग, राजमा और छोले. Nuts. The edible parts of some fruits and seeds are eaten as nuts. यानी कई पार्ट्स जो होते हैं फ्रूट के और सीड के वो एडिबल होते हैं. एंड वी ईट एज नट्स. विच आर दे? कैश्यू नट्स, almonds and walnuts. Cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. Food items made from plants. Tea leaves, coffee beans, cocoa beans and sugarcane stem. Now students, this tea leaves we get from the tea plant and that makes tea. The coffee beans and cocoa beans. The coffee beans and cocoa beans. The seeds of coffee and cocoa plant are usually called beans. यानी जो seed है coffee और cocoa plant के they are called beans. Coffee beans are used to make coffee. यानी coffee bean जो है वो आगे जाके कॉफ़ी बनाने में हेल्पफुल रहता है. और कोको जो है उसे क्रश किया जाता है. It's used to make cocoa and then cocoa is used to make chocolates. जो sugar cane stem है उसे sugar और jaggery बनता है. The dried seeds, fruits, roots and bark. The dried seeds, fruits, roots and bark of certain plants are used as spices. यानी कोई चीज़ के ड्राई कोई प्लांट्स के जो ड्राइड सीड्स हैं, फ्रूट्स हैं, रूट्स हैं और बाक है वो सब सूखे होते हैं तो दे आर यूज्ड एज स्पाइसेस. स्पाइसेस यानी मसाला. स्पाइसेस आर यूज्ड टू ऐड फ्लेवर टू फूड. यानी स्पाइसेस का काम क्या है? टू ऐड फ्लेवर टू अ फूड. द बार्क ऑफ cinnamon tree, the food of cardamom plant, the flower buds of olive plant and the fruit of pepper plant are used as spices. यानी fruit of cardamom, bark of cinnamon tree, flower buds of olive plants. This you might have seen in your kitchen, right? Oils. The seeds of some plants such as mustard, sunflower and groundnut are used to make oil. The seeds of some plants such as mustard, sunflower and groundnut, they are used to make oil. These seeds are called oil seeds. The seeds which are helpful to make oil are called oil seeds. Some fruits such as olives and coconut are used to make oil. यानी सिर्फ सीड्स ही नहीं हेल्पफुल होते हैं ऑयल बनाने में, फ्रूट्स भी है सच एज ऑलिव्स एंड कोकोनट्स विच आर हेल्पफुल टू मेक ऑयल. द ऑयल दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स इज यूज फॉर कुकिंग. यानी ये जो ऑयल है हमें प्लांट से मिलते हैं दैट आर यूज फॉर कुकिंग. यूजफुल थिंग्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. यानी हमें कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो प्लांट से मिलती है. Which are the other useful things which we get from plants? First is fibers. The next is wood, latex and gum. Then medicines, soaps, toothpaste and shampoos, garlands, bouquet and perfumes. Students, those are the things we get from plants that are useful for us. Now what is fibers? Fibers are very thin and hair-like material. और वो जो fiber होता है, you can see this in image. This is the fiber that has been transferred into cotton yarn. Yarn यानी धागा. Then it is transferred into cotton fabric. And this piece of fabric is stitched together and it makes the clothes we wear. Now cotton fibers from cotton plant, we get cotton fibers from cotton plant. Jute fibers from jute plant. Jute fibers are used to make ropes, sacks and mats. यानी रसिया, सेक यानी the theli which we theli whatever you call, and mat yani chatai. This we get from jute fibers. Now wood is the hard part of the trunk and branches यानी जो wood है वो hard part है, parts of trunks and branches. The wood of felled trees is called timber. The wood of a felled tree is called timber. ये जो timber है उसे काट के shape देके that is helpful for us in making furniture, houses and boats. यानी वो हमें helpful रहता है क्या क्या बनाने में, furniture, houses and boats. The timber of trees such as teak, pine, sal and oak are used to make furniture, houses and boats. Paper is made from wood of plants such as bamboo and pine trees. Paper किससे बनता है? From which plants? Bamboo and pine trees. The wood is first turned into pulp. The pulp is then flattened and dried to make paper. यानी जो प्लांट जो बाम्बू और पाइन ट्रीज से वुड मिलता है उसको पल्प में ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. Then this pulp has been flattened and dried to make paper. Latex and gum. Rubber trees give a white and watery fluid called latex. This latex is used to make rubber. Rubber is used to make balloons, erasers, tires and pipes. Yani we get the white watery fluid called latex. Then this has to be converted into rubber. What is then made from rubber? Balloons, erasers and tires. Also pipes. We get gum from acacia tree, also known as bubble tree. Where we get gum from? Acacia tree and is also known as bubble tree. Gum is then used to make glue. Medicines. Now many parts of plants are used to make medicines. The flower bud of cauliflower plant, the stem of turmeric plant, tulsi and neem are used to make medicines. Turmeric yani haldi, tulsi you all know, neem and the flower bud of cauliflower plant are used to make medicines. Soaps, toothpaste and shampoos. We get oil from parts of certain plants. यानी हमें कई parts of plants से तेल मिलता है. We get oil. Which are the trees whose oil is helpful to make soap, toothpaste and shampoos? They are neem, cauliflower and lavender. Garlands, bouquets and perfumes. The flower of plants such as rose and tulip are used to make bouquets and garlands. यानी कई plants के जो flowers होते हैं are used to make bouquets and garlands such as rose and tulip. Perfumes are made from the flowers of rose, jasmine and lily. Now students, importance of plants for living things. We need fresh and clean air to breathe. यानी हमें एकदम साफ और फ्रेश एयर चाहिए to breathe. Plants purify the air around us. यानी जो प्लांट है हमारे आसपास वो हमारे एयर को प्योरीफाई करती है यानी शुद्ध बनाती है. Therefore, plants are very important for all living things. So, the plants are very important for living things. Trees give us shade and shelter from sun and rain. यानी trees हमें शेड यानी छाया, शेल्टर यानी आश्रय, फ्रॉम सन एंड रेन यानी कि जब भी बहुत सारी बारिश आती है या धूप आती है तो वी फाइंड टू गो अंडर ट्रीज बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस शेड यानी हमें छाया देता है. फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड्स शेल्टर टू डिफरेंट एनिमल्स यानी फॉरेस्ट क्या देता है एनिमल्स को? शेल्टर. शेल्टर जहाँ वो रहते हैं. शेल्टर यानी आश्रय यानी आसरा यानी घर, उनका फॉरेस्ट होता है. Hence, we should grow more plants and trees around us. This is the importance of plants. So, we should grow more plants and trees around us. So, students, that's it for the day. Now, here we end our term end assessment 1. So, we will soon meet after a small break. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and stay happy.